look, your course, right, needs to be recorded anyway.
Yeah.
Soon, right? How many videos do you think there is? 5, 6, or altogether?
I'm not sure. Maybe 6,
Right.
which means it's not a lot of content.
No, that's all, that's better.
Okay. Okay.
Even if it's 45 minutes or whatever, it's I mean, if 5, 6 videos in the paid membership area, this is all good.
Okay.
As long as the person who comes in has something to watch, this is all good.
Okay.
Because people get overwhelmed with too much stuff anyway. Let them watch 1 or 2 or 3 videos, and then you can say to them, hey, what's your questions? Did you understand that? You know what I mean? It's okay. Okay,
Mhm.
so now I need to know, and you, okay, can you show me on your screen, maybe, I mean, the introduction, okay? Right, let me check. And how did you decide to record these videos? Just you speaking to the camera, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure. That's another thing I'm not sure about. Maybe I could create some sort of slides, but for now it would just be me videoing, talking to the camera.
Okay, so that would be video 1, right? Up here, all this, right? So,
Yeah, or I could split it. Like I could say what is intuition, and then I could do another video what it isn't, and then moving more into the how
yeah,
to tell the difference.
I mean, look, so look, because you have 2 options right now, okay? And I'm just, you see, I'm leaning now on my course. I'll explain you what you should do. Because I'm not 100% totally happy with you having it in this document, except I'll tell you why. Um, I mean, if you have it in this document, it is okay, right? And then you would just talk to the camera and teach this, okay?
Hmm.
In an introduction, it would be like a 2-minute video. You would open up this video right now and you would talk to the camera and just kind of look. Sometimes I do read my things, to be honest. Sometimes I read my things,
Hmm.
even if I don't show them what I read from. I even tell people ahead of time, hey, I'm going to be helping myself with the text here, so don't worry if I look a little bit away, right?
Hmm.
So if I'm you here, I'll be like, hey, my name is this and that. I'm here to teach you how you can connect to your intuition so you can learn this and that, blah, blah, blah. And then I would tell them, hey, I'm kind of helping myself with a script here, so don't you worry if I'm looking aside a little bit from the camera, right?
Hmm.
I tell people this ahead of time if that's the way that I do it, right?
Okay.
So that's one way to do it, okay?
Hmm.
You could tell, because sometimes I do just that for my YouTube videos, right? I'm having my script here and I'm kind of always trying to look there, but I'm also reading from it, okay?
Hmm.
Now, the other way to do this is that if you copy all of this into this nice format here, right? So you
Oh,
see,
that is it.
so
Yeah.
we already worked on that last time, right?
Yeah.
So I'm not sure if it's all the same.
I think I maybe copied that and then, yeah, just created more of a script.
Yeah, so it seems that it's actually all the same. I'm looking at the first lesson one. So,
Hmm.
but look, if you would use this workbook and you share your screen on Zoom like this,
Hmm.
people can actually see where you're reading from, and then it's okay for you to read.
Hmm.
Because I will be like, I would be using my mouse and I would say, hey, now I'm going to tell you what is intuition. And I would select it so people know what we are looking at.
Hmm.
So that's another way to record your course, right? But you want to have this a little nicer document, not this one, because this
Yeah.
one is not very readable. Like it's all stuffed, it's
Yeah.
all too much squeezed. So you see, you have this. You could do it this way,
Hmm.
and then you are allowed to read. I see a lot of big coaches do this, right? You don't need to memorize things. You could kind of read.
Okay.
Because that's the way that I do my recordings as well. I'm like, hey, what is intuition, right? It's connecting to your inner wisdom, inner knowing, not needing something outside of you. And I'm selecting when I'm talking with my mouse this way so they know what I'm looking at, right? For example.
Hmm.
and then I talk around it a bit and I look to the camera, and you know what I mean? That's another way to do it. And you would just share screen like this. I mean, I can give you can do it with Zoom, or you can do it with an OBS software, recording software. It's called an OBS, records your screen. Now, the third way to do this is that you could put this into Canva slides,
Yeah, I might prefer that.
right?
Yeah.
So here in my course, there is slides template, for example. You can import this into your Canva.
Okay.
Right, and you know, it's the same script here. Introduction, hey, welcome to this course, and then you put the outcome statement here. What are we gonna cover, right?
Okay.
And then you begin with again. Okay, you can throw this one out later, because if you do the what we're gonna cover already in the previous page, you throw this one out. But then you begin with lesson 1, and you just copy and paste that text here.
Mhm.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then
So
yeah, go ahead.
when you're sharing your screen in Canva then and doing the recording of the course, like how do you do like still my face? You know how like with
Yeah,
yours, like when you share it, yours is in a little circle. Like how does that
yeah.
work?
So you go to this page called OBS download. You
Okay.
that's the most free recording software ever. Like,
Okay.
you know, you're gonna download this. You see, this is another video that I need to record myself to teach everyone how to use.
Okay.
You know, I forgot. I mean, everyone is asking me, "Hey, how do I record?" And I never recorded. I don't want to teach each and every person manually right now how to use OBS, right?
Yeah.
So I need to note it down right now and record this, so I could just share with you a 3-minute video and you would know, right?
Okay. Yeah.
But for now I don't have one yet. I maybe tomorrow, because I'm gonna have recorded quite a lot of videos tomorrow. I could squeeze this in as well. But yeah, download it. You use this PC probably, right?
Mm. Yeah.
You're gonna download that later. It's a little technical. It would be good if I record a video for you. It's easier then. Because I actually myself, I don't use this software. I use another one, but this one I used before as well, and everyone should use this. It's free one, right?
Okay.
Now, and with this one, you can have um, a circle of your face, right?
Okay. Nice.
By the way, are you using Zoom? Are you paying for Zoom?
Yeah.
Because if you're paying like $10 for Zoom a month, right?
Or it's $20, I think. Yeah.
Whatever. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So look, maybe there is an easier way for you to go about this. You might not need OBS, because a premium version of Zoom, which you just said that you are using it,
Yeah.
Zoom allows you, they have a feature now that allows you to record, but you need to be on a premium, which you are saying you are, right? It allows
Probably.
you,
Yeah.
it allows
Yeah.
you to record. Let me see if I can bring that up right now. Um, yeah, do this, please do this with Zoom. Okay, it's gonna be much easier for you. But
Okay.
I don't know if I can show it to you right now. How could I do that, to be honest? Can you?
Do you want me to unshare and you share it on your screen?
Yeah, but later, please go to Zoom website, okay, and download Zoom PC to PC.
Okay.
Maybe you already have it, right? One second. Let me open Zoom here on my computer. I'll try to show you right now. Let me see if this can work. One second. I have not used this feature. I did it once, but let's see if I can show you. You're gonna download Zoom to your PC like this, okay?
Hmm.
And then I think you need to go to this idea here, share screen or whatever.
I can't see anything.
Yeah,
Are
you
you
can't.
showing something?
Yeah, no,
No.
I can't show you. I'll need to record a video.
Oh,
I cannot show
okay
you.
then. Okay.
I will show you this later.
But I need to have the app of Zoom on my computer.
Yeah.
I don't have to just have the website.
You need to download the app. Look, I'll make us all a favor after this call. I have another call, but I will record the mini tutorial for you about this, all right?
Okay, sure. Okay, thank you.
Because for you, this is the easier way. Don't worry about the OBS, because Zoom has this feature if you're on a paid plan. It allows you to nicely record your, screen very nice. You can have your circle face there, and it's easy to use.
Okay, awesome.
All right, so I'll show you that. Now,
Okay.
now go back to your screen, please. You're gonna share your screen again.
Okay, 1 second. I just need to find the page. What am I sharing?
Just your screen again, so we can finalize the discussion about the Canva slides. And Barb, if you're still listening, we're gonna need to cover the marketing part next time, if that's okay with you. Or at the end of this call. So, look, can you allow me to control? So go here to
I'm still here, just so you know.
Yes.
Okay.
Is it okay if I just work on this with Sarah? I mean,
Yes, of course. I'm learning a lot. So yes, of course.
because I want you to be focused next time when we talk about the marketing part. Okay, so it's worth to me to
Yes.
explain it to everyone. Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
So, but also let me finish this with Sarah, so she's ready. And if I have another 5 minutes at the end, we can talk about the marketing. Otherwise, next time. All right.
Okay, I'm fine.
Yeah. You're gonna do this, Sarah. Use my template, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then just create your slides using this simple template if you want, okay?
Okay.
But I don't want you to waste too much time on all of this. Like, this could take you some time, I believe, to copy all of this over. I don't know, it's quite some, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You have quite some, okay?
Yeah.
To be honest, you could just begin with one module at a time. I mean, when I create my courses, right, I make sure that I have at the beginning, the end, and everything ready for me when I start recording. So you need to take over control over this, okay?
Yeah.
But yeah, if you're gonna use slides like this, then use that and just copy lesson 1 here, right? In here.
Yeah.
And then do the same with lesson 2, right?
Okay, sounds good.
Or so, do you think you can manage navigate these slides?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'll actually link these guys to you here. So next time we know where it is, okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Try to work around this, please, because you need to be ready to record your course, all right?
Okay.